California, Lassen, and Plymouth.
Oh God, it's 6 hours long.
National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for the Dixie Burn Scar in southwestern Lassen County in Northern California, northwestern Plymouth County in Northern California until 11 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Oh Lord.
At 5:12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Dixie West Burn Scar. Between 0.3 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the warning area will cause mudslides near steep terrain. The mudslide can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Dixie West Burn Scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Dixie Burn Scar. The Highway 70, 36, and 32 corridors will be highest risk for impacts from mudslides and debris flows. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chester, Almanor, Prasto, Lake Almanor West, Lake Almanor Country Club, Canyon Dam, East Shore, Caribou, Seneca, Belden, Queen, Paxton, Indian Falls, Bald Eagle Mountain, Tobin, Crescent Mills, Story, Teddy, and Greenville. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Dixie Burn Scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads.
Oh, 2 minute mark.